What is velocity-addition relationship? Consider a girl sitting on a slider, which is moving at a speed of v relative to the observer who's standing still on the ground. When the girl throws the ball forward, the ball moves with a velocity, say u dash, relative to the slider. Let u be the velocity of ball relative to the observer. Now, according to the classical theory, the velocity of the ball with respect to the observer on the ground will be u is equal to u dash plus v. But from the second postulate of relativity, we know that the classical velocity addition does not apply to light. Let us understand this with an example. Consider a person driving a car along a straight road at night. Let us assume that the car is moving with a velocity v with respect to the observer who is standing still on the ground. Now, if a light is projected from the car's headlight, then this light will be moving with a velocity c with respect to the person sitting inside the car. But if we apply the classical velocity addition to the light from the car's headlight, then this light will approach the observer standing on the ground at a speed of v plus c. But from the second postulate of relativity, we know that the speed of light is constant. Therefore, the speed of light with respect to the observer standing on the ground will also be c. Therefore, the classical velocity addition is not valid when the velocity approaches towards the speed of light. Thus, the correct formula for the relativistic velocity addition, as in this case, will be where v is the relative velocity between the two observers, u the velocity of an object relative to one observer, u dash the velocity of an object relative to the other observer. Substituting u dash is equal to c in the above equation, we get, or, since u equal to c, thus we can say that if an object moves with the velocity c with respect to the other object, then its relative velocity is always c, irrespective of the velocity of the other object. Thus, the velocity addition relationship is used to transform a measured velocity of an object as seen in one inertial frame of reference to the velocity as measured in a frame moving at any velocity with respect to it. Related term is question. Remember keywords. Related term is remember diagram. Remember definition.